Assalamu alaikum. Suppose you are working in a pharmaceutical industry and you are asked to calculate the batch size of tablets in term of kilograms, and you are asked to calculate the batch size of tablets in term of numbers, or you are asked to calculate the batch size of capsules in kilograms, or you are asked to calculate the number of capsules from the provided weight of filled capsules. How you will perform these calculations? Hello everyone, I am Sajjad and you are watching Pharma Inform. In this video we will learn basic batch size calculations. These calculations are very important for daily life routine working, and these are also very important because these are usually asked during various interviews, vivas, or job interview questions. So let's start our video, and in this video we will learn how to calculate the batch size of tablets and capsules. We will start our video from the batch size calculation of the tablets. Suppose we are asked to calculate the batch size of tablets in kilograms. How we will calculate the batch size of tablets in kilograms? We will use the following formula, and the formula is number of tablets multiplied by tablet weight. Mean, if we want to calculate the batch size of 5 lakh tablets and individual tablet weight is 300 milligram, what will be the weight of batch in kilograms? How we will calculate? So let's solve it by the example. As we discussed, number of tablets are 5 lakh and our individual compression weight is 300 milligrams. So when we will multiply 5 lakh into 300, answer will be 150 into 3 and 3, and this weight is in milligrams. We will convert it into kilograms. As you can see in the formula, we have divided our values with 1000 and 1000. So by dividing it with 1000 into 1000, first when we will divide it with 1000, the value will be converted into grams, and when we will multiply again it with 1000, the value will be converted into kilograms. If you are not aware of basic conversion calculations of weight, the link of video is given in description. Must watch the video. After solving this equation, the answer will be 150 kilogram. Mean our batch size in kilograms is 150 kg. The second one is to calculate the batch size in term of numbers. Suppose you have a specified quantity of the powder or granules and you want to calculate the number of tablets from it. How you will calculate? For it we will use the formula product weight in milligrams divided by the tablet weight. Mean, we will take the weight of our granules or powder and we will convert it into milligrams, and then it will be divided by the individual tablet compression weight. Suppose we have granules batch size in kilogram is 50 kg. So we will first convert 50 kilograms into milligrams. For it we will multiply it with 1000 and 1000, and then we will divide it with the individual tablet compression weight. Suppose compression weight is 500 milligram. So after solving it, the answer will be 1 lakh tablet. Mean, if we have 50 kilograms of the granule product, the compression weight of the tablet is 500 milligram. The batch size in term of numbers will be 1 lakh tablet. Now we will learn to calculate batch size of capsules. For calculating the batch size of capsule, we must be familiar with the term filled weight. Filled weight is basically the weight of empty hard gelatin shell plus the weight of powder or granules which we are going to fill in the hard gelatin capsule shell. Suppose empty hard gelatin shell weight is 75 and we want to fill a powder weight is 150 milligram. So the weight of empty shell weight plus powder filling weight will be the 225 milligram. Now let's calculate the batch size of capsules by a practical example, and we will use the formula number of capsules into filled weight divided by 1000 and 1000. We are going to calculate batch size of capsules in kilograms. So for this we will take the number of capsules. Suppose we have 1 lakh capsules and capsule filled weight is 225 milligram. So we will divide it with 1000 and 1000 to convert it into kilograms. After calculating, our answer will be the 22.5 kilogram. Mean if we have 1 lakh number of capsules and filled capsule weight is 225 milligram, our total capsule weight in term of kilograms will be 22.5 kilogram. Next we will learn to calculate batch size of capsules in term of numbers. For this we will use a formula total product filled weight in milligrams divided by the individual capsule filled weight. Suppose our product filled weight is 50 kg. So first of all we will convert 50 kilogram into milligram and then we'll divide it with the individual capsule filled weight. Suppose our capsule filled weight is 250 milligram. After calculation our answer will be the 2 lakh capsule. Mean if we have filled product of capsule having weight 50 kilogram and our individual filled capsule weight is 250 milligram, the batch size in term of number will be the 2 lakh number of capsules. I hope now you are familiar with the basic batch size calculations. If you want to read the article on this topic, the link of article is also given in description, and must visit my website pharmainform.com and do subscribe my channel and share it to others. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.